Hi there, welcome to the Affiliate Truths video on how to link your hosting, which we got from HostGator, to your domain, which we got from Dotster. A lot of people forget that there is a little bit more involved than just buying the two. When you actually get them, you need to link the two together. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over to Dotster and we're going to log into our account. Your username and password would have been sent to you when you first registered with Dotster. Now here you can see that we have a number of panels in the control panel here. It is very straightforward. Your billing and everything, you can set it up so that you have recurring billing and that you don't have to keep going back every year and saying, right, okay, well, yes, I want to do this, I want to do this. It does it automatically for you. But what we're going to do, we're going to go into My Domains. And as you can see, I've got a lot of domains here. I'm going to choose one that I know I haven't set up yet. So I'm going to choose buythatonline.net. Basically just a click and you get a tick. It's very straightforward. Okay, and down here you'll see in this drop down box down the bottom here, let's go down a little bit further, that you can do a number of things. You can change the auto renew, so if you don't want to keep a domain for longer than a year, you can change the auto renew status of that domain. You can renew services for a specific domain. You can add a service for a specific domain. If you want to host it with Dotster, you can do so. You can modify the name servers, which is what we're going to do. We'll come back to that in a minute. You can lock the domains to prevent unauthorized transfer. They do automatically lock when you register them, but if you decide to transfer them to another domain registration company, then you will need to unlock them, which is the next option. Retrieve an authorization code. This again is for the transfer from one area to another. If you decide to move companies, move the domains to another account. If you've got another Dotster account, you can move within the Dotster accounts. If you sell a domain, you can move it to the person that you've sold it to. Synchronize the domains. You can force the synchronization of the domain name servers. These are the servers that allow you to access the internet, basically. When you go out onto the internet, it's domain naming servers that point you in the right direction. And you can change your contact information. For this video, we're going to use the modify name servers. So we're going to select that and we're going to go. As you can see, the next page that comes up is the account management page. Name server update. Each domain name must be associated with a minimum of 2 name servers. Now, when you received your registration document for email from HostGator, you will notice that in there are 2 domain name servers, and they look a little bit like this. As you can see, you've got NS123. It's normally NS, which is name server 123.hostgator.com. It's that easy. And what you do is you put them in there. As you can see, I've already got mine ready to go in. So there we go. And we'll just change that because that's 420. And we add that again. You put in your confirmation email address. So we're going to use the boss at the Affiliate Truth. For those of you that think that the boss is a bit of an arrogant email address, I'm actually a big Bruce Springsteen fan, which is why I use it. As you can see here, the name server update results. Update name servers following by that online. Name servers successfully updated. And I will have received an email to tell me also that I have successfully updated them. You can go back to the domain information and that will tell you that I'm the owner and that those are the name servers and that is up for renewal. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go to our hosting, and to do that you've got, as you can see here, I've got my my confirmation email has just come through on my Gmail account. So I want to go through to my hosting, and to do that you need to go into your control panel. Again, you would have received the details of your control panel, which will be an IP address, which will be a list of numbers separated by dots. It's normally a 2 or 3 digit number, a dot, another 2 or 3 digit number, another dot, another 2 or 3 digit number, another dot, and then a final 2 or 3 digit number. /cpanel. So I'm going to go into mine, which is on yourpicturebase.net. And we've logged in. So you can see here that I have my control panel in HostGator. Is there nothing different on mine to yours? Mine is exactly the same. As you can see, I've used the Baby Croc, which we spoke about in the previous video, and I want to do an add-on domain. Don't worry about too much about the control panel, because the control panel is something that we will be going through in a later video. So here you can see I've got a new domain name, so I've got buythatonline.net, and the subdirectory is buythatonline. You can add a password in, and then you say add domain. Now this is going to come up with an error message. I can tell you that now because I have already added it. But basically the screen that you will get will look a little something like this one. You will get bind reloading saying that it has been added. Here you can see I've got an error because it is already configured, and it says sorry, it can't be created. They are already set up, they are already there. So now if I go www.buythatonline.net, it will come up and you will see index of nothing. There's nothing there yet because I haven't put any website or any files up, so you can just see that it does exist and it is there, and that is it. That is all there is to it. That is all you have to do. There's no more. It is that simple. Point and click. There's no programming, there's no special tricks to it or anything like that. It is quite literally point and click. There will be a PDF available at theaffiliatetruth.com. Feel free to go over there if you're not already there and download it. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video.